Hi, welcome to Corasti Ozu TV. Today I'll be showing you another top platform you can make to make money for yourself. I want you to go to your browser and search for a platform named creativelive.com. Creativelive.com. What is creativelive.com? This is a top-notch content site where you can get any top-notch class you want. Either is what how to write content, either is what social studies content, either is what accounting content, whatever content you need. Just come to this platform to search for it. You'll surely get it. You surely get it. You can see the creator path. Unlock our creative library. Open your word. Pick your creator path plan. You can see. I'm quite sure you'll be thinking, how can we now make money with this now? Since this is a content site, does it deal with us? It's all yours. See real growth from what 700 plus iconic instructors creating their classes online, quality teachings. You can see. Learn skills easily with 60k plus digestible lessons, exclusive access to fast class and best content around 1 hour each. Progress anytime with 24/7 access. You can download this lesson on your what? iPhone or iPad. Automatically gain access to new classes and exclusive conference. Set goals, track progress through curated learning paths. Learn from industrial icons. These are top teachers you can learn from once you download your content. This is it. So how can we now make money? I want you to scroll down to the bottom of this site. You can see there is join us community, become an affiliate, creative guide, give $15, get $15 for 10 podcasts and many more. You can also, if you are looking for a job, you can also come to this site to search for a job as there is available vacancy. So just click on the become an affiliate. That's what we'll be working on, become an affiliate. So you just need to sign up to the affiliate program. See, the affiliate program make money by connecting your audience to great content. Our affiliate partners serve an audience looking for a creative education and the ability to earn a living from their craft. Idea site focus on online education, photography, crafting, music, business, and training tools. You can see they have 30% revenue share for new customer sales, track it, and earn more. So this is the top platform you can just sign. So how can you now sign? Just click on the sign up button. So then you input your information. You input your information, and you're successfully registered. Then you get your affiliate link. So how can you now share your affiliate link? You can go to a top platform like Pinterest.com. 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 Once you go to a top platform like Pinterest.com, you're going to pin what? Your link, what? Your link with an image to the site. So this is Pinterest. This is also a top platform. Apart from that, you can also go to a platform like Twitter to promote your affiliate link. To register on Twitter, then you share your affiliate link. Apart from that, the last platform is Facebook. You can also go to facebook.com and share your link with your friend. Share your link with your friend and start smiling, just sharing what even content you think people will love, the ones you also love. Once they click on it and they get those content, you are going to be giving a certain commission. That's just it. You can leave the notification bell and subscribe so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I dropped awesome video just like this. Thanks.